Okay guys, good morning. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install an SSD. This is the Mac Space Solid State Drive M.2 SATA drive. I'm going to be installing into this system over here. So what we're going to firstly do is we're going to firstly remove the screws of the system, which I'm going to do right now. Some of the screws are very tiny and make use of this kind of screwdriver. So as you can see, we're inserted the system right now, and the SSD is located here. So what I'm going to do is, so you guys will know, this is my own screwdriver kit. So we'll be placing this head into this spot. Just like this. Removing the old SSD. My screwdriver is not magnetic, so I did a DIY and applied a magnet onto it. So we won't lose this. We'll remove this. And then apply the new SSD. It's like an angle 45, nudge it in so it sits just to balance inside properly. Once that is done, you apply the screw. Magnet isn't doing me justice, so I'm going to use my hand to do it. And once that is placed, then put in the back cover back. Let's place it in place. Thank you. Hope you guys like my wallpaper. It's the Boondocks wallpaper, or you can call it skin.